Hi, it's Mike with AskTractorMike.com. I'm at the National Farm Machinery Show with Scott, who's with Titan Tire, who is the resident expert. In my opinion, he knows a lot about tires, and we're going to answer a viewer question today that I'm going to read about Bias-Ply tires versus Radial tires. And the question is, I have a two-wheel drive Massey 253 with a loader. The tires are about 30 years old and showing signs of cracking and significant wear. For replacement, what are the advantages of Radial versus Bias-Ply tires? Thanks, Jason. Scott, you and I have been running into each other a few years out here at the National Farm Machinery Show. I know you know tires. Okay, we've got a tractor that's about 48 horsepower. It's a utility tractor.
Right.
And I assume you're going to try to sell the guy the most expensive tire.
Well, if I were in the sales side of it, I would, but I'm actually in the more the engineering and the application type stuff. And it's a great question, and we get it all the time. And I would follow that question up with a few more questions. How long does he use the tractor? Is it something they use every day for 8 hours? Is it are they concerned about ride comfort? Are they concerned about performance? If it's got a loader on, does he use the loader a lot, or is it just parts time? So the difference between a radial and bias is, if you didn't know, is the hole in the tire, right? A bias tire, the cores go up and over diagonally. So in the sidewall tire, they're crisscross. So the tread and the sidewall actually work as one. A radial tire, this is the hole in the tire. That core goes up and over radially, and then we put belts on the top. So the sidewall and the tread kind of work separately. And that's why radial tires tend to have a flatter footprint. And flatter means larger, and that gives you more traction. You typically operate at lower inflation pressures, and that's the difference. Now, the radial is more expensive, and so if it's a budget thing, and is it something they make a living at, and ride comfort is important? Yes, then radial might be the option to go, because your ride's typically going to be smoother. You're going to get more traction. If you're pushing into a pile with the loader, you might get more traction to be able to, pick up a little bit more. If it's something that you're, using once a month or, a couple times a month, maybe the radial is not the way to go, and Bias is obviously going to be more of a value brand and a little less expensive. And, the Bias tires, like the one we got back here, this is our AgriVantage. It's a good looking tire, a good flat footprint on it. It'd do the job just as well, I think, on that tractor, especially the low horsepower that it actually is. Until you get up into that 120 horsepower, radials is just it's one of those things, yeah, you can use it or have them or not. And, I could go either way on it. Again, depending on what you're doing with the tractor, making a living in it every day, working it hard, radial might be the way to go. But if you're just using it as a chore tractor, or, something that you're just kicking around the farm every now and then, Bias is probably the best way to go.
Personally, I would get biased, and I just fool around with a tractor. I make flower beds, move dirt piles.
Exactly. Yep.
And I don't really need to go the extra expense. And I'm not out on the road. I don't think the ride would be enough different to just.
So, and the thing is, I'm sure that's probably on the tractor right now is a bias tire, and it lasted 30 years. So, you're one and done, and another 30 years on the tractor with the next bias tire.
Is there any difference in longevity between?
Depending again on the use. Radial tires tend to wear more evenly over the course of time. Just the way a bias tire the center of the bias tire tends to flex, where the radial tire, when it rolls through the footprint, is pretty flat. So you might see some wearing issues a little sooner with a bias tire, but again, depending on how much you use the tractor, you may not even notice it for 5-7 years.
Now, one thing I also notice is the guys that farm for a living tend to always get radial.
Absolutely. And that's where you're really trying, because these guys are trying to put the power to the ground. They're pulling big tillage equipment. Your 300-400 horsepower mechanical front wheel drives, everything is on radials in those sectors, because the job requires it. Even if you're, a part-time farmer, you still need to pull heavy tillage equipment and pull planters and things like that. Again, smaller, 48 horsepower, under 100 horsepower tractors typically are more, like you said, flower bed type work around the acreage or whatever type farm. You really don't need that power, that technology to hook the power to the ground.
So the expert says don't spend the money unless you are using the tractor a lot and using the loader, need good ride, and so on. So there's the answer to that question. I'm definitely going with bias next time I change tires. I appreciate you watching my videos. I would be honored if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can do that by clicking the My Face icon, and make sure you check the bell so you get notified when I post future videos. Here's a link to my website and the Tractor Fun Store, where cool things for sale for the tractor owner and help support my channel. And here's another couple of videos you might want to watch. Thanks for watching.